All right, Dan, thank you. The Dallas County District Attorney says he's disturbed by the behavior of a Dallas detective. Both Dallas police and the DA's office are looking into her actions after allegations that videos were deleted in a high-profile murder case. Fox 4's Blake Hansen spoke with the DA about his concerns and other issues involving police data. Blake.
Heather, District Attorney John Creuzot tells me that his office is now auditing all of that detective's cases. This is a separate data issue involving DPD files, has also made headlines this week.
I was shocked that somebody would handle a case like this.
Dallas County District Attorney John Creuzot says he sat in on a hearing last week for Nina Morano. She is charged with murder in the death of Maricela Botello. The 23-year-old was found dead after traveling from Seattle to Dallas in October 2020. According to Morano's attorney, some evidence wasn't turned over to them and other videos deleted.
We have an officer that we went to several times, different prosecutors, and asked her, is this all of the file? And the answer was yes. And that was her answer. Reality was no, and far from it.
Creuzot says his office is now auditing all cases connected to Detective Cristina Ramirez. Dallas police have opened an internal affairs investigation into Ramirez. And in a court filing, Morano's attorneys have asked the judge to toss the case, writing, whether it is gross negligence or intentional acts by the Dallas Police Department, the dismissal of the indictment with prejudice is the proper remedy. Creuzot says the audit is in the beginning stages, but the cases could number in the hundreds.
Every case that she has ever filed and any case that she worked on, our intention is to audit all of those cases regardless of where they are. If there have been convictions, we need to know what, if anything, wasn't turned over so we can turn it over to the defense. It may have a bearing on whether or not a person is entitled to a new trial.
The investigation comes just days after the Dallas Morning News reported on a separate issue with Dallas PD's data. A department audit late last year uncovered thousands of videos within the Dallas Police Department system were uncategorized. The department says it's been able to fix the issue for many of the videos. Creuzot says he wishes his office learned about it sooner, but so far there's no evidence any of the files were critical.
My understanding is it's turning body cameras on and off. It may have been something at a scene that didn't develop into a case. It may have been talking to someone that, once again, there was no crime, maybe put in the place where it was at the end of a shift and not tagged properly.
2 years ago, the department's data management was in the spotlight for another issue. A 2021 audit uncovered an IT worker's mistake led to the deletion of 8 million files, and a separate incident led to the loss of 4.5 million files. Do you have any doubts or concerns in terms of how the Dallas Police Department is managing its data?
I think that they're doing the best they can under the circumstances. It's very difficult to manage this much digital evidence today. I think there's a good faith effort from the police command to get this right.
The Dallas City Council's Public Safety Committee is set to be briefed on the uncategorized video file issue next month. Meanwhile, the Morano case is set to go to trial on March 27th with the motion for dismissal not yet ruled on. Stephen, Heather.
Blake, thank you.